Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect your Salesforce account with Snowflake. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply, we need just to add this external data source with our Salesforce organization. So we need just to go to the setup and basically we need just to search for external data source. So from here, we can find external data source, and now we need just to create a new external data source. After that, let's just name it Snowflake or whatever. And basically here, you will need just to use the SQL type here. And in the provider, we want to add Snowflake. Now you can add your named credential, and basically it can be whatever. You will need just to use your named credential, and from here you can have writable external objects, and those are the connection timeouts. Now we are just going to click on save, and basically you need to already have some named credential by adding your some external authentication. So basically you need also have some uh, external app or connected apps in your page or in your application. And basically, we need just to search for our named credentials and we can find them here in the security, and we can create a new external credentials or add some named credentials. And from here you will add your external credential, and you would need to have also a client certificate, which would be your communication or your credential between your Salesforce and Snowflakes, and you can add them into the external data source and you will be able to connect them. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.